again.
Prowritingaid is like Grammarly, but it has its own features here and there. Now, I'm also using Prowritingaid for my content writing because it has different features for it. You can use it inside your Microsoft Word, and you can also use it inside your Google Docs. So you don't have to write a document and then start looking for your software. Right there inside Google Docs, you can add the add-on to your document. Welcome to another tutorial on a content editing tool. Today we'll be looking at the Prowritingaid. It is a very good editing tool. I've been using it for the past 3 or more years now. I started with the free plan, and as I got a better job, I upgraded to the paid plan. And I can say it is a very robust grammar and style checker that you should have in your writing arsenal. It's very good. You just need to try it out. If you've not been using it, it will help you to check your grammar, to improve your style, to enhance your vocabulary. Um, Now let's look. It has a paid and a free plan, like I've said, and you can also pay once and for all for the tool. Let's check out the pricing plan. The first one is this is a monthly subscription, $20 per month. The yearly subscription is $79 per month, and for a lifetime access, it's $399 per month. Just choose the one that is good for you. I'll leave the description. Yeah, I'll leave the URL, the link in the description box below so that you can check it out. But I will advise that you start with the free plan so that you can get familiar with the tool and know how to use it so that you can get the best out of it. Um, so the tool, just like Grammarly, it has an extension for Chrome, for Word, for Google Docs, Slack, Facebook, can see Twitter here, Salesforce, HubSpot, WordPress. That is awesome. So all you need is to sign up to start using the tool. It has also it has a essay checker tool feature. It has a essay checker feature, grammar checker API, and also a plagiarism checker. It can help you to also check your plagiarism level in the content you are editing. It has extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. So now to start using the tool, you need to get a free version. Just click on get started and sign up for the tool. It is very easy. Once you're done with that, you will come back to this page and then click on use app. So this is where the magic begins. This is where the magic starts. So welcome to Prowritingaid. Are you ready to become a better writer? So yeah, great. Here is how to get started. Let's just learn as you go. Join. Get started. Happy editing. Thank you. So this is the platform. This is the backend where you're going to be editing your document. Now, to start afresh, you click on new document. And it brings you to a page where you can upload your document or write a new one if you want to write a new one. Where now I will start by uploading my document. I'll skip this and upload my document to start editing it. This is a document I want to edit, and as you can see, it's showing spelling errors already by underlining the mistake. So when you see underline like this, blue color, it uses different color to signify whether it's a grammar or spelling errors and whether it's a passive voice or style that you need to correct. So here is the document score, then it's general here. So you choose which category your article belongs to. So I'll just choose general as it is here. If it's a business writing you're doing, you can choose business. Academic writing, you can choose it. Technical, creative, casual. But here I'll be using a general. For the audience, it's showing for the English, general English, British English, I'll be using, okay, US English because my audience are predominantly in the United States. So let's scroll here and see what options we have. Style of the document, passive voice, 1 error. This is 3 error here. Some of these tools, they are for paid users, but we'll see the ones we can use for free. Passive indents, advanced fixes. Your strengths, style guide, sentence length. These are all other features that it will show us. So let's start by first correcting the grammar and spelling mistakes. So it will give you an option showing you the correct words to use in replacing the error in your document. So we click on this and we move on, but also this also. We scroll to the next one. They are a little bit. So little and bit are similar. So I use bit. Now we should leave one space between words and sentences. Seated for a long, no, seated for long in a car seat. I think we have to ignore this. So get to front career sling 1. Okay, here then the e-kits. This is product name. So we ignore them or we add them to the dictionary. So this is kids. For a long car journey, the beginnings ignore. Face yes. As well. This is a product name. Yes. Split up an instant. Bring along. Lightweight. Product name, we ignore it. There is another one here. Toys, comma. Traveling. UK spelling. So for the other mistake, we have finished the grammar and spelling checking. We are done with that. What is style? It says we have to pay for the premium plan before we can use that. The passive voice, you can make correction if it is what you want to do, but I think I will leave it as it is. We have passive index, 2 fixes. Where are they? They are seated. If they are seated, you can just press ignore and move on to that. So you continue checking sentence variety. The sentence variety looks very good. That's why it is ticked green. So all these are okay. Now that we are done with the correction, it is time to export it back to the system. So this is the document now. It is downloaded onto the system. This is a document that is downloaded to the system. Now that is all about the Prowritingaid tool. If you have any question, drop it down in the description box below. You'll also get the link to the tool in the description box. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel so that you get to be the first to receive the notification about new videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.